Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Let's consider this question. If 9 power x minus x power 4 equal 65, we are asked to find the values of x. What will be the value of x that will satisfy this equation? So let's look at how we can solve this. Let's write down the solution. We have 9 power x minus x power 4 equal 65. Let's find the factors of this 65. 65, the smallest prime number, of course, will be 5. That will be 13, then 13, 1. So we'll use these two factors. So we can write this as 9 power x minus x power 4 equal 5 multiplied by 13 is the same thing as 65. Very important. This 9, I can write it as 3 power 2 all in power x minus this x power 4. I can write it as x power 2 all in power 2 equal 5 times 13. Very important. From here, I can bring in this x. And take 2 out so that I can apply difference of 2 square. So I can write this as 3 power x all in power 2 minus x power 2 all in power 2 equal 5 times 13 from the power law of indices. If I have a power m all in power n is the same as a power n all in power m and is the same as a power m times n. They mean the same thing. That's what I just did here. So I had to bring x in and take 2 out. Like here, I have m in, n outside. I decided to bring n in, take m outside. They mean the same thing. Very important. Okay, so from here, we can apply difference of 2 square. Recall that if we have a square minus b square equal a plus b equal a minus b, given that a plus b must be greater than a minus what? B. Very important, from difference of 2 square. So when we compare this, it means 3 power x is my a, then x square is my b. Let's substitute. This will now be 3 power x plus x square, then 3 power x minus x power 2 will now be equals to 5 multiplied by 13. So we can relate this. Very important. It means 3 power x plus x square will be greater than 3 power x minus x square. So we relate this to 13 and we relate this to 5 because 13 is greater than 5. Very important. So we have 3 power x plus x power 2 now will be equals to 13. Very important. Then we'll have 3 power x minus x square will be equals to 5. We have equation 1 and equation 2. Our aim is to find x. Let's move here. Let's apply elimination method because this is a system of equation. Let's apply. We can eliminate x squared. We can either eliminate x squared or 3 power x. Let's add. If we add, we will eliminate x squared. Let's add. By adding this, it means 3 power x plus 3 power x will have 2 of 3 power x. That's what it means. It means 3 power x plus 3 power x, it will be 2 of 3 power x. Okay, like when we have a plus a, it will be 2a. That's 2 of a. That's what we mean. Very important. Okay, so this will now be equals to, of course, plus x squared minus x squared will be 0. Then 13 plus 5 will be 18. Very important. Then at this point, our aim is to find x. We can divide both sides by 2. This will divide this. We're left with 3 power x now will be equals to 2 here, 1, 2 here, 9. That will be 9. The base on the left is 3, the base on the right is 9. We can write 9 as this will be 3 power x now will be equals to 3 power uh, 2. 3 power 2. 3 power 2. The base are the same on both the left hand side and the right hand side. So we are free to equate their respective power. So it means x will be equals to 2, meaning we can, since the base are the same, we can divide, if we divide through by 3, this will divide this, will be left with x equals to 2. So x is 2. So the value of x that will satisfy this is nothing but 2. So let's check whether it is true. Let's check whether the true value of x is 2. Let's substitute into the left hand side, whether the left hand side will agree with the right hand side. So it will be 9 power 2 minus 2 power 4. Is it the same thing as 65? Let's check. 9 squared is 81 minus 2 power 4 is 16. Let's subtract whether 81 minus 16 will be 65. Let's check. This will be 81 minus 16. This is 11, that's 5. We're left with 7 minus 1, that's 65, which is 65. So the left hand side and the right hand side are the same. Truly, the value of x that will satisfy this equation is nothing but 2. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. See you in my next video with amazing videos. Thank you for coming.